All right, today I'm going to be quickly showing you how to change the saw blade out on your table saw. In this, first thing you want to make sure is that your table saw is unplugged. The next thing is that you have the right tools to do the job. Now, stay tuned to the end. If you don't have these tools, I'm going to show you a quick trick to make sure that the saw blade is up as high as it can go. Next, we're going to take the inside flat wrench, lock it into place. So find out which size fits, but very carefully undo the nut. As you pull the blade off, that plate should come with it. When installing the new blade, make sure that the teeth are oriented correctly so that they are cutting properly. With this table saw, you want the teeth facing towards you because it cuts towards you. Sliding gently down, make sure it's fitted properly on the arbor. With the plate on and carefully putting the nut back on, putting your wrench on, and tightening the nut. And then you're gonna put your plate back on, put your safety cover back on, and you're off to the races. One quick bonus is that if you do not have these wrenches, what we want to do is we want to find a soft piece of material that's flat stock. This is a piece of cedar, and we don't have this wrench. If we don't have this wrench to be able to get down inside on the drive shaft, then we're not going to be able to hold this down. Now, you have to be very careful in doing this, but certainly put that flat stock just bedded on the tooth there very carefully, and grab either a wrench or an adjustable wrench. Hold the blade so that it's not going to bounce, and place your wrench over the nut and carefully loosen that. When we go to tighten the blade, we're going to place our piece of wood in there again, hold it firmly in place, and gently tighten that nut. Hope this helps. We'll see you on the next one.